So I started another project, this time a sci-fi adventure game. The main part of the game will be exploring the map, so you will need a rover for that. But just driving the rover isn't a lot of fun, so you can customize your rover as you see fit. The idea is to have a big open world where the player can explore with his rover and find parts to further upgrade the vehicle. For the rover I'm just using a standard vehicle body 3D. It has a tendency to flip over, but it suits my needs pretty well. For attaching vehicle parts I'm using just a static body and detecting what the player is carrying to attach to the rover. Another thing I added is interactable objects around the base, alongside the quests. In this case a power switch that turns on the lights in the base and updates the current quest. For that I'm using signals to tell the quest manager when to update the quest. Another thing that was important to get right from the start was the stairs, because there will be a lot of stairs around the bases and it's not nice when players get stuck on random objects. My solution to this was to move the player one step up when the raycast detects an obstacle. I am rotating, in this case, a raycast around the player depending on the direction that the player is moving and direction of the camera rotation. That way the raycast is always in front of the player's movement and it can easily detect a step or some kind of other obstacle. This is just one solution to the stairs. Another would be to simply add a ramp, but I don't like that solution. One step further would be to have realistic placement on the foot, but that's something I might or might not add in the future. For now I'm pretty happy with this solution. Last thing I wanted to show is how the moon stays always the same distance away from the camera. For that I'm just using a plane that has a fixed size on its material, but it displays a texture from a sub-viewport. And the sub-viewport has a sphere with a simple texture. You only need to apply the texture from sub-viewport to the plane in ready function, because for some reason it doesn't work otherwise. And that's it for this devlog. Hope you liked it and stay tuned for the next one.